Hi friends, this is Kavya and welcome to my channel Famous Dishes. Today we are making a very healthy vegetable curry called as Palak Paneer. Let's check out the ingredients followed by the recipe. 250 grams of palak washed and drained. 200 grams of paneer cut in cubes like this. Oil for cooking. 1 big onion chopped, finely chopped. 2 to 3 tomatoes pureed. 2 to 3 green chillies slit. Roughly chopped garlic. Roughly chopped ginger. 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, some zeera, salt as per taste, half tablespoon of chili powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Let's start with the recipe now. In the boiling water, just add the palak. We need to boil this palak for 2 minutes in a high flame. Don't cook it for a long time because it will lose its color. Drain this now. Add cold water on top of this over the palak. Now grind this palak in a fine paste. Along with the palak, we need to add roughly chopped garlic, roughly chopped chilies and ginger, and grind this to a fine paste like this. We'll start with the gravy. First, we'll fry the paneer. Fry this for 2-3 minutes. It has started turning golden brown, so we can start removing this. Now in the same oil, add zeera and finely chopped onions. Now fry this until golden brown. Now add all masalas: cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt. Now fry this well. As the raw smell goes out, add the tomato puree and fry this on a high flame. Once the excess water is drained out and the oil separates, we can add paneer. Fry paneer in the masala. Let the masala get coated in paneer well. Add the palak mixture. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Don't overcook it, otherwise you will lose the color. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it well. Now you can off the heat. This is done. Now we can serve it. Now garnish this with fresh cream and some grated paneer, and this is looking lovely. Hope you like this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.